Today we present the 7 causes of air conditioner freezing. Let's start by saying that the evaporator or indoor unit of the air conditioner has the refrigerant inside with the pressure sufficient to cool the air that passes through said evaporator, but that at the same time, the temperature at this point does not fall below zero, and thus prevent the freezing of the water droplets that travel with said airflow. Now let's see the possible causes of this problem. 1. Lack of maintenance. The air filter of the unit must be cleaned regularly to avoid clogging and blocking the airflow. When less air passes through the filter obstruction, there is not enough heat that the refrigerant inside the evaporator needs to absorb, thus lowering its pressure, which produces a temperature lower than normal, causing freezing. 2. Disconnected or bridged thermostat. If the unit uses a thermostat, and it is disconnected or broken, the air conditioner will never turn off. This can cause the unit to freeze, especially at night when the outdoor ambient temperatures are lower. 3. Obstructed turbine. If the evaporator turbine is obstructed by dust or dirt, there is less airflow, therefore less heat, causing the refrigerant pressure inside the evaporator to drop, and its temperature as well, causing freezing. 4. Insufficient airflow from the evaporator turbine. Because the motor is rotating very slowly, there is less airflow, therefore less heat, the pressure of the evaporator drops, and its temperature as well, causing freezing. You must check the capacitors, bearings, and the condition of the fan. 5. Obstruction of the capillary tube. If the capillary tube is obstructed, the refrigerant will not be able to circulate properly, which can cause lower than normal pressures, causing the evaporator to freeze. 6. Faulty or improperly placed ambient temperature or well sensor. The temperature sensor is the device that tells the air conditioner when to turn off, or to regulate the cooling capacity, in the case of inverter air conditioners. If the sensor is improperly placed, the air conditioner may continue to operate, even after reaching the desired temperature, which can cause it to freeze. 7. Check the refrigerant pressure. If the pressure is low, it means that there is a lack of refrigerant. This can cause freezing, because the lack of gas lowers the pressure below normal, generating temperatures below zero. When the refrigerant leak is larger, the freezing may disappear, due to the fact that the unit presents a totally unbalanced cycle. Remember that oil stains indicate a refrigerant leak. Remember that low refrigerant charge has a lower than normal current consumption.